Hello everyone. If you're looking to learn Power BI for a job promotion or looking for another job in the field of analytics, this video will take you from zero to your first real dashboard. I'm working as a business analyst and I will show you exactly how Power BI is used in real companies and in the real world. Let's get started. So first of all, we will be looking how to install the Power BI desktop. So you can directly go to the Microsoft Store. In this, you can search for the Power BI option, and in this Power BI option, you will get different options over here. You have to go to this Power BI desktop, and here install option will be there. I have already installed it, so that's why it is coming as open. Once you have installed it, you can open the app, and the Power BI desktop will be open. So the first look will look like this. Once you will open this dashboard, like this file, once you will open this Power BI desktop, this screen will appear. In this, blank reports option is there, data sources available are there. From OneLake catalog, if you want to connect the data source, Excel workbook you can collect, and many other data sources are available. If you want already have a Power BI file or you want to open something, like you can open it from here. So I'm selecting currently the blank report. This is how the Power BI dashboard blank report looks like. Okay, there are many tabs available over here: home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. We will be looking on all the tabs. Filters are available over here. Visualization tools, you can build some charts over here. Data which will be importing, it will be available here. These are the table view option is there. Once we will import the data, you will be able to see. Model view is there. Here we create the relationship among the different tables and data. Okay, so first of all we will look towards this tabs. So this is the home tab, in which first the option is of clipboard, in which format, painter, paste is all options are there. Second is the important one, which is the data. So here is the get data option is available, in which all the data sources are available. You can go to the more option, and once it open, all the data sources will be available over here. See, like you can connect to Azure, you can connect to SQL. If you want, you can connect to SharePoint folder, Excel, many other options to connect the data sources available over here. If you want, you can search it from here also. Like if I want to connect to the Excel, you can see like Excel option is available over here. Okay, and if you want to connect to any other source, you can connect it. Here are some options available like Excel workbook, OneLake catalog, SQL server. If you want to enter the data, you can do it from here. Dataverse is also there. In recent sources, you will be able to see the recent sources of data from where you have connected. Second one is the queries. In this queries, you will be able to transform the data. Okay, you will be able to transform the data. There's data source settings is also there. We will be seeing this transformation of data. In this insert option, you can insert the visuals, text boxes, more visual option is there. This is same as this visualization pane only, so you can directly insert from here. Calculations is there. You can create a new measures. Quick measure is also available. We will be seeing this also. Sensitivity option, you can publish this Power BI report to the Power BI app version, like Power BI web version is there, so that you can share the Power BI reports to anyone. And Copilot option is also being integrated in here, so you can ask the Copilot for any DAX functions or anything which you want. Next, we will be looking towards the insert tab. So from here you can insert a new page, duplicate this page or blank page. Again, the visual option is you can insert. AI visuals is their key influencers, decomposition, T narratives you can insert. You can use the Power Platform option, paginated reports, Power Apps, Power Automate, and you can insert the elements also such as text box, buttons if you want to insert like left arrow, reset back, information help, shapes you can insert, rectangle, and these options are available: square, circle, whichever you want you can insert. If you want to insert the image in Power BI report, you can insert it from here. Then modeling tab is there. So in modeling tab you can manage the relationship from here. You can create a new measures, new column you can create in the table. If you want to create a new table, then also you can create it from here. Calendars option is available. You can mark as data table, date table you can mark. You can refresh the page. Okay, new parameters you can create. Okay, parameters, like you can see here it is written parameters to visualize and DAX expression to act as variables. Okay, you can manage the roles from here, security, and if you want to ask any question, linguistic schema, language, you can change it from here. View option is available, so these are the themes are available in Power BI, in which you can select any theme from here if you want, and currently I have selected the default theme only. This is the page view. It is page to page, fit to with an actual size. You can select accordingly. Mobile layout is also there. Power BI mobile version is also there, so you can create a mobile layout also. Currently we will be working for the desktop version only. And like you can visualize the grid line show, snap to grid, lock objects. Once you will click on lock objects, you will not be able to make changes in the Power BI report. All the things will be locked. There's options available to show the panes, like filters. If you will select it, filter option will be available, bookmarks will be available, selection will be available. You can analyze the performance of your Power BI. You can sync the slices on different pages, so we will be seeing all those things. Okay, in optimize you can pause the visuals, refresh the visuals, optimization presets is there, performance analyzers, and apply a slicer button. Last like help button is there, in which the learning videos, training guide, and other things are available. If you want to see anything, you can come here, you can join the community of Power BI as well. Okay, so that was all about this Power BI desktop version. Okay, now we will be starting to import the data. That is the main part. So now we will be importing the data. I have already downloaded the data, so we will be looking towards the CSV file. We will go to the more option, and I will write it as CSV. The text and CSV option is available. I will click it and click on connect. So now the desktop is open. I will select the file. I have already downloaded this AdventureWorks Sales Data 2020. I will select it and it will get open. It is currently connecting. So once the connection is done, this screen will appear. So this is the when the data is connected. Like you can directly load the data, you can transform the data, and you can cancel. Like if you want to search for another data, or you have selected the wrong data, you can cancel it. So firstly we will be transforming it, and then we will load. So we will click on transform data. We will see all the things over here. It is the Power Query Editor. It is the most important and most common thing that generally recruiters ask. Do you know Power Query Editor or not? Do you know how to do the DAX function? Do you know how to add the columns? Do you know how to transform the data? It is very important for it. Okay, so here the table is here, in which all the columns are available in this. So the order date is there, stock date is there, order number is available, product key is there, customer key, territory key, order line item, order quantity is there. So if you will see, beside this name of the column, there is options are there, like this is the format for date, this is the format, again format for date, order number as it is in the numeric plus the string format. String means like alphabets are there, so it is currently in the ABC format. Data type is there, it is in the numeric format, so 123 data type. Again similar for the all other columns, it is in the numeric format, so 123 data type is there. You can check the data from in the transform also. Okay, if we will select this territory key, they see this data type is whole number in this. Okay, so I will show you all the settings over here also. There are sources available in which you can, if you want to connect to any other sources, you can do that. Okay, you can manage the parameters from here, can choose the columns, you can go to the particular columns. If you want to remove the columns, you can do it from here. Okay, if you want to keep the rows, okay, only you want to keep the top rows, bottom rows, you can keep the duplicates or as well. If you want to somehow remove the rows, Like if you want to remove the duplicates, so remove top rows. So like we will see how to remove the top rows. Okay, we will click on top rows and the number of rows which we want to remove. Say like I want to remove first 10 rows. Okay, I will click on OK. The first 10 rows has been removed. Okay, so we can go back to the previous version. So I have removed it from the here. There is the applied steps. Once you will like do anything in the Power Query editor, the steps will be applied over here. So if you want to go back to the previous step, then you can choose this cross button and it will automatically be to the previous version of your, it like creates a version history of here. Okay, you can split the column by delimiter, uppercase, lowercase. In the upcoming videos we will be looking for it. Like you can group by, you can again change the data type, you can merge queries, append the queries. In this transform tab you can transform the data, like you can use first row as headers as well. Currently my data is using the first row as header, so I don't want to change anything. You can transpose, you can reverse the rows, you can detect data type, replace values. If you want to replace the values, see like if you want this uh, if you want in the territory key only, if you want to replace value to find 1 and replace it with 0, so we will be able to see the 1 value is there but it will be replacing to 0. Okay, we will select C. So like there is 1 value was there, now it has been converted to 0. So all the values that were 1 in this territory key has been converted to 0. But we will go back to the previous version only. So again, see, I've done the cross and it will come to the again to the 1. We can pivot the column, unpivot the columns, we can split the columns, you can use the number column for statistics, you can find out the sum, minimum, max, and other calculation. You can scientific, standard, add, multiply, trigonometry, rounding information. You can, if you want to run the Python scripts, you can do it from here. Then in the add columns, you can add the columns from example, custom column, you can use the conditional column, index columns you can add. Okay, you can format the option. Many other options are available in the view. You can view all those things. So in the add column, we will see how to add the index column in this. So to add the index column, we will you can select from 0 you want to add the index column, or from 1, or you can use the custom also. So we will use the from 1. So see, like index column has been added from 1 2 3 4 5 6 till the data is available in this here. Okay, so once you will do the transformations, you have to come to the home tab and click on close and apply. Okay, we will close and apply and it will apply the changes automatically. You have to wait for 20 to 30 seconds. It will see data is being loading. Once the data has been loaded, you will be able to see the data over here, and we will be able to see the data in this table view also. Okay, and in this relationship also you can build if you have more than one table. You see the data has been loaded and the data has come here. AdventureWorks, all the column names have been come here. Okay, in the table view all the data has been come here. Okay, see like order date, which will be able to see in that Power Query editor, all the data has been here, and we have the index column also. Okay, and we can build the relationship from here. Like currently is only one table is there, so we cannot build relationship. If more than one table is there, we can build the relationship. We will be able to see it in the next upcoming videos. Okay, now we will be looking towards some basic charts available in Power BI and how to make the changes in it. What like pie chart, cluster chart is available in that. We will be taking first the column cluster chart. Okay, so we will take this column cluster chart, and according to the order number we will find out the order quantity. Okay, so these are the x-axis and y-axis are available. So order number we will be putting it in the x-axis, and in the order quantity we'll be putting it in the y-axis. You can just drag and drop over here. Okay. Okay, so we can see like the order quantity over here is all one only, so that's why it is coming like that, or there are no other values. So we can select um we can select the count of this, like instead of sum, if we will select the count of it, count distinct. If we will select the count distinct, then also it will be same only, because like it is one quantity only. Okay, if you want to insert the data from here, second we will arrange it. If you want to arrange the date column in it, like if you want to show the date, we can do that also. You can select the card option from here. You can click on card. Okay, click on card to display it, and we will be displaying the stock date, let's say. So you can click on a date hierarchy is there, like you can directly value also from here. So see, 11 September 2019 the date is there, earliest date is there. If you want to show the latest date, then from latest date it is 14 December 2020, as the data last date is 14 December 2020, so it is showing like that. If you want to change this latest stock date, like name of this date, then we can change it from here, rename for this visual only. So we will be changing it to the only stock date. We will click enter it, and stock date, the name has been changed. Okay, we will drag it here. If you want to insert the pie chart, you can insert the pie chart from here. See, like you can insert pie chart. If we want to see, like we can see order quantity again. Okay, and we can put it in the value option, order quantity, according to the, we can take mm, customer key. Okay, so there are a lot of customer keys that are available over here, so that's why it is coming like this. So we can take product key instead of customer key. See, it is more clear because the product key are less than the customer key, so it is more clear. Option is available over here. Okay, so like this you can make many other charts options available over here. Okay, and you can build it. If you want to make the changes in this visualization, you can format your visuals in the legend, slices, detail labels you can change over here. Okay, if you want to put some filter, so let's say you want the particular product key only in this pie chart. Okay, so like if you want, we can if you want to add is less, then you can enter it over here and click on apply filter. The filters will be applied over here. So this was the basic view of Power BI desktop. Okay, in which we have seen what are the tabs available, how what is the Power Query editor, how we insert the data through CSV file. Okay, how to build some basic charts in that. Okay, in the upcoming videos we will be seeing more advanced version of it. We will be seeing the DAX functions. Okay, we will be seeing how to transform the data more. We will be seeing how to use this if you want to make some changes, format your visuals you want to change. Okay, we will be refreshing the data. We will be publishing the data in the upcoming videos.